Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English Talk AI. Today we will learn English through something very simple and beautiful, our daily routine. This lesson is made for English learners who want to understand and speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin our day together from morning to night. As we move through each part of the day, you will learn useful English words and sentences. I will explain everything in simple English, step by step. Art 1. Morning time. Morning is a fresh start. It is the beginning of a new day. When you open your eyes, you can say, I wake up. The sentence is, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes we can say, I wake up early, or I wake up late. After waking up, we get out of bed. You can say, I get up. I get up at 7:30. That means 7:30. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I dry myself with a towel. I comb my hair. These are very common morning actions. You can say, I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face with cool water. I take a shower for 10 minutes. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. After that, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. Sometimes I wear a t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes I wear a shirt and pants. It depends on the day. Now, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I make tea or coffee. I eat bread, fruit, or rice. Some people eat eggs or cereal. You can say, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. After breakfast, I get ready to go out. If you go to school, you can say, I go to school. If you work, you can say, I go to work. If you stay home, you can say, I stay at home. Part 2. On the way. When I go to work or school, I usually walk, ride a bicycle, or take the bus. Some people drive a car. Some people take a taxi. Some people go by train. We can say, I walk to school. I take the bus to work. I ride my bike to school. I drive my car to the office. During the journey, you can look around. You see people, trees, cars, and buildings. You can enjoy the view and think about your day. Part 3. At work or school. Now we reach work or school. This is where we spend most of our daytime. At work, we do our job. We use the computer. We read and write. We talk to other people. We attend meetings. We make phone calls. Some useful sentences are, I start work at 9 o'clock. I check my emails. I write reports. I talk to my boss. I help my customers. If you are a student, you can say, I study English. I read books. I listen to my teacher. I write in my notebook. I talk to my friends. At school, learning new things is fun. We can learn math, science, and English. English helps us connect with people from all around the world. At noon, we take a lunch break. You can say, I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink water or juice. I talk to my friends while eating. After lunch, we continue our work or study. The afternoon is sometimes long, but it is important to stay focused. Part 4. Afternoon. In the afternoon, we continue our daily tasks. Maybe we finish our lessons, complete office work, or attend meetings. Around 4 or 5 o'clock, we start to feel a little tired. We can say, I finish work at 5. I leave school at 3. I come back home at 5:30. On the way home, you may stop at a shop to buy something. You can say, I go shopping. I buy fruits and vegetables. I buy bread and milk. I go to the market. Sometimes, people like to take a short rest. You can say, I take a nap. I rest for a while. I relax at home.
Part 5. Evening. Evening is the time to relax and enjoy family or personal time. You can say, I watch TV. I listen to music. I play with my children. I cook dinner. Dinner is the last big meal of the day. You can say, I have dinner at 8 o'clock. I eat rice, vegetables, and soup. I drink water or juice. After dinner, many people clean the kitchen. You can say, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Evening is also a good time to talk with your family. You can say, I talk to my parents. I call my friends. I tell stories. Part 6. Nighttime. Night is quiet and peaceful. It is time to rest. You can say, I take a shower. I brush my teeth again. I read a book. I check my phone. I turn off the lights. When you are ready to sleep, you can say, I go to bed. I sleep at 11 o'clock. I have good dreams. A complete day is now over. You wake up again the next morning and start a new day. Part 7. Common verbs for daily routine. Here are some common verbs we use to talk about daily routines. Wake up, get up, wash, brush, eat, drink, go, come, work, study, read, write, listen, talk, play, cook, clean, sleep. These verbs help you make simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home at 6. I sleep at night. Part 8. Common time expressions. We often use time words to explain when we do something. Here are some examples. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, at 7 o'clock, at noon, every day, on weekends. Example sentences. I go for a walk in the morning. I eat lunch at noon. I watch TV in the evening. I sleep at night. Part 9. Daily routine examples in paragraph form. Let's join everything together and make a simple story. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and get dressed. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I drink tea and eat bread with fruit. After breakfast, I go to work. I start work at 9 o'clock. I use my computer, write emails, and talk to my coworkers. At 12, I have lunch. I eat rice, vegetables, and soup. In the afternoon, I continue working until 5. After work, I come back home. I take a short rest. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. In the evening, I cook dinner and eat with my family. After dinner, I clean the dishes and watch TV. At 10 o'clock, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth again, and go to bed. I sleep well and get ready for a new day. Part 10. Expressing frequency. We can also say how often we do things. We use words like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. Examples. I always wake up early. I usually drink coffee. I often read books in the evening. I sometimes go out with my friends. I never sleep late. These words help you sound more natural in English. Part 11. Review and reflection. Now let's review what we learned. We learned daily routine words, verbs, and time expressions. We talked about morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We made sentences with simple English. We learned about how often we do things. You can now describe your own daily routine easily. Try to practice saying it out loud every day. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become. Artie's ending message. Learning English is like a daily routine too. You don't need to hurry. Just take small steps. Speak slowly, Listen carefully and enjoy the process. Remember, small learning every day makes big progress. Keep learning with English Talk AI. We are here to guide you every day, step by step. Thank you for listening to this calm and simple podcast. I hope you enjoyed learning English today. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll share this podcast to your friends and your family.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.